Okay, crappy projects around the house need to get done. So this has been stained. That is 4-year-old treated wood. This is 20-year-old cedar. Here I didn't sand it. Here I sanded and stained it. So that's one of my crappy projects. Not gonna go that way. So what's left to do this summer? I stained this side. Now I need to stain this side of the gazebo. Nice split there. And then I need to stain this side of the gazebo. This is good. It's not messy for once. And everything here, that fence will need to be painted one day. It looks terrible. That's a next year. No, that's further down the road because actually I missed one here. Right. This needs to be fixed. So that's a sooner than later project. Inside here, that was done this year. So everything in here is good for this year. No projects there. Pool's good, water's clean. This was stained yesterday, so nothing to be done here. And so was the gate. And I need to tie up these branches. That is a mess. But I called a guy and got a quote on a tree. If anybody knows of somebody else, my quote was $350. So if you know anybody that does this and can do it for less than $350, let me know. Again, the fence kind of looks a little crappy, but this is artificial turf. And yeah, that's it for the backyard projects. So we'll see what we can get accomplished. Today I put some stain. So I just finished sanding and put some stain, and the reason I only did it in a section is I just want to see how it holds up. So we'll see in another video how it holds up maybe.